In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Klarna for flights, so you can book airfare and pay over time instead of paying everything up front. To get started, open the Klarna app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the app, go to the search bar and type in the airline you want to book with. Or you can search for a flight comparison site like Skyscanner, which is supported inside the Klarna app. After you find Skyscanner or your preferred airline, tap on it and wait a few seconds while Klarna redirects you to the official website within the app. When the page loads, you can begin entering all the required flight details, just like you normally would. Choose your departure city, your destination, your travel dates, and the number of passengers. Once everything is filled in, tap on the search button to view the available flights that match your preferences. Browse through the results and select the flight option that works best for you based on price, timing, and airline. When you move forward to the checkout page, make sure Klarna is selected as the payment method. Klarna will then show you the available payment options, such as splitting the total cost into multiple installments. Review the payment plan carefully so you understand how much you're paying today and how much will be due later. After confirming your payment plan, complete the booking as usual. Once the purchase is finalized, you'll receive confirmation details for your flight, and your payment schedule will appear in the Klarna app so you can track upcoming payments. That's how you can use Klarna to book flights and spread the cost over time in a simple and convenient way.